I will open a new model. So file open. So this is the aircraft tail fin CAD product. Open this up. So this is a actual CATIA product. So this is a tail fin assembly, right? So looking at it, it's a typical CAD product. You got all the tree structure and everything. So now because I opened it as a QDM inspection planner, I got the QDM workbench on. So it's got the create QDM template, load existing, add new points, and all those options on the left. So when you look at the model, so first thing I wanted to show you is so you see these points, right? Those are QDM points. So this can be QDM point or any CATIA point. So what QDM does is when we create a template, it goes scans through the entire part and finds these points, and that's where you build your measurement plan based on.
Okay, so those points are associative between QDM and CATIA.
Yes. Yep. These are at normal CATIA points, but just to show for a demo, right? I made those like a little bit highlighted and look out. So because for any CATIA model, you need points to draw anything, right? So those are same. Okay. So first, so in the workbench, I'm going to do a create QDM template. So once I click on it, I get this dialog box, right? This is pretty much like very similar to the template wizard dialog box what we have in QDM Analyst. So when you look at it, on the top you have this option to enter a template name. So I'm going to give it a name. So in this dialog box, you can see you have the name for feature name, page number, and charts. So the first step, I'm going to draw a box around the model. So once I draw it, what happens is it goes through the entire model, picks all these points, and it populates it here. So once you have the point selected, it highlights it in the highlighting color. So looking at it, you can see that there are like these are the feature names. So QDM point 1, point 2, point 3, all these are the feature names. Right now I've put everything in page number 1. So when it brings it in page number 1. So it's all one, and then it tells you what kind of charts it's going to create. So by default, we create X, Y, Z, and deviation chart for every single point. But if you want, you can change that on the options on the right side. So after I bring the points, so just to go through a few options on the right side. The first option is I'm gonna do a quick sorting. So I will do maybe move excess features. I'll make it like 2 features on each page. So what it did is it actually made one feature per page. So it means that 4 charts per page. So sorted the entire feature list through 16 pages. So you can see the page number changed. So I sorted these different pages. So the next option is chart selection. I'm going to leave that now. The next option right here is image orientation. So which is setting up the CAD view for a different page. So every page you can set up a different CAD view and apply for it. So it will save that specific CAD view. So once you have these set up, this is pretty much like a template wizard, right? So once you do that, you also have options to say what type of
auto show. Can you click on something to show the auto show? Should you click on the features?
Yeah.
So, show some
so the second page, let me see if this view is a good one. So I'll set this view for the second page. For the third page, I will set up maybe this view. Yeah. So now if I scroll through different pages,
yeah,
right? So if I go to the first page, it tells me, okay, this is the view. Second page, this is the view, and third page, this is the view. So it saves the view for different pages. So once I do all these, pretty much the basic of the template is created, right? So now I do a click OK. So what the software does now is, so whatever we did in this 3D view, so the software is compiling it, and it is going to put that in a 2D drafting window, because the 2D drafting window is where we can visually see all the charts, the comparator charts, and it's got all these different pages, graph pages and index pages, like what we have in QDM Analyst. So that's what it's creating right now. So based on all the features I selected and based on how I sorted it, and also based on what type of chart it is and what views I had, so it's compiling these different pages and creating this graphing drawing for us.
That's no problem. I'm gonna clip that.
Yeah, no, this is a little slow today. That's fine. Maybe okay, so now it automatically opens up this drawing page, right? So when you look at the drawing page, it's very similar to what you have in QDM Analyst. So it's got the index page, it's got multiple graph pages under that. So you can scroll through different graph pages from here or even through the tabs at the top. So once you go to different graph pages, you can see it automatically aligned these. Okay, so one thing which might be a little bit different from QDM Analyst is, so this is our first beta version, right? So all these boxes, they represent the actual charts. So right now we don't have the exact chart in here, but at least we have these boxes. Yep, templates or measurement plans. So, but once you export this to QDM Analyst or QDM Web, it'll read as an actual chart and it'll populate and then it'll read it accordingly. So here the main things you would do is, because you already set up the 3D views and all those, so you can like align these charts however you want it, if you want it like in different pages. So on the left, if you see, this is the QDM workbench on the drafting page. So this option, it's got pretty much all the option what you would use in QDM Analyst. So for example, if I just go through these, so if you want to move these charts to different pages, you have options to do that. You can do rotate the geometry, you can zoom in, zoom out. You can change the chart types, so from comparative to statistics, like that. If you want to change the title block setting, so by default we put a inspection style title block, but if you want to change that to a standard or a photo style, you can change that and do all the modifications inside. So these are the comparator and statistics chart settings. So once you click on it, you can switch on and switch off different options in the comparator chart and statistics chart. Same like the chart settings in QDM Analyst. You have the show hide, so that can be a global show hide, which is you can use a wildcard to search through different charts and show hide different charts, or you can like specifically pick different charts and show hide them. You have option to merge and unmerge charts. You can create partless charts, and you can also create different measurement charts, 3D measurements, 2D measurements, midpoint, range charts, and so on. So these are basic switching to different pages, deleting a page, changing the view from wireframe to solid, all those settings, and also aligning the charts from left, right, and all those. So pretty much all the options what you would have in a QDM Analyst to compile a template you have as a on this drafting workbench. So once you think you're done what you want with the template, all the pages are right, all the charts are set up. So the last option is you can export this QDM template and save it in a centralized location. So one thing about this is, so you see that when I click export, right? So you got this box. So this one has the same exact 7 levels of drill down which we have in QDM Web. So, so pretty much now I'm gonna save it as aerospace, maybe Model 3. telephony, and let me give it a name. Okay. So now it's saving this file. So what it is doing is it's compiling this drafting objects into a GDZ file, and it's saving it in a centralized location. So this location can be a network location which can be accessed by the shop floor users, or it can be like directly uploaded to QDM Web 2.
So I can use it either with Analyst or with QDM Web.
Yeah, it's a typical web template, so you can use it either ways in Analyst or
So
web.
once you finish saving it and everything, would you be able to open it in QDM Analyst?
Yeah, I'll show you how to open it in QDM Analyst. So because in Analyst we put a special function in there where we can directly. So you saw this saving window, right? It's saved through a drill down. So you have the same drill down in QDM Analyst too. So once you go and click on it, it will directly navigate you to that template.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, typically, like in a company, they have they have separate methods of saving these. So a user don't have to go browse and look at these files or anything. They have to just go drill down this part, and it should show up this template.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Let me open up QDM. I don't know. Usually it doesn't take long. Maybe I should have gotten a charger or something. Okay. Okay. So now QDM Analyst, right? So now we have this new option called Template Navigator. So once you click on it, it brings up pretty much similar window how we saved it. So anyone who's in the shop floor, right? They don't have to go and find this model and specific model. They can go through this drill down, telephone assembly, telephone, and once you see that, they'll have this template which we just created open up. So here they have the exact same template. It's all comparator charts because that's how we created it. It's all sorted the same way, merged. So yeah, if you want to do something with it, we can still do it here. We can use to change something, but
the images are all frozen in 2D, right?
Yep, the images are all 2D, but the charts are active. So typically, what they would do is they would bring a sample set inside.
Do you have any sample sets for this model?
You know what? Let me create one right now. Now let me quickly create one and bring it inside. Hold on one second. Okay. Okay, let me just start over this thing. So file, template navigator. So it tells me where to find this file, right? So I do this file assembly. Okay, so now I have this blank template here. So this is the same template which I exported there, right? So now I can go file, import data, and if I have a data for this one, for this telephone assembly, I can directly bring it inside. So it's a DCSDB2 file, open. So it'll ask you if I want to add a new data set or replace. I'm going to replace it, reset start to 0, and it's the wrong data set. One second, let me do that.
Alright, hold on one second.
Yeah.
Can you cancel?
Hmm.
Right. Now start.
Start now.
Now go, because you're recording, and
Continuous.
sometimes I need a buffer so I know where to click.
Okay.
It's a little.
This one I don't need in the recording. I'll make a data set right now.
You're doing good. You're
Yeah.
doing fine. This is great.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff in here for me to use. I appreciate it.
Okay, so let me first do a data set.
Sometimes it's hard to watch you because you know the software so well. But you're
Yeah,
just like,
see that's what I need to learn. I need to be a little bit slow.
yeah, it's hard when you're moving from a user to a demo person because it's a whole different way of doing things. You know, you have to,
Yeah.
especially when you're a user, you're trying to do things as quickly as possible.
Yeah. File, close, no.
Okay. So
Alright, so I'll give you a buffer now and start this thing.
all right, we're good.
Okay, we're good. So now in QDM Analyst we have this option called Template Navigator. So once you click on it, what it does is it brings you the same kind of drill down how we saved it in QDM V5 in the inspection planner. So I saved my model under model 3, so I'm going to select that, title from assembly, title from and demo, right? So once I click on it, what it does is it goes to the common location and goes picks this template up, opens it. So now you can see that all these charts which we created as boxes, now they are like actual comparator charts. So the images are static, but the charts are active. So if you want to move it a little bit, or like sort it to different pages, merge, then you can still do that. So the next thing what a shop floor user would do is, so once he opens this up, right, so he would bring in a data file. So do a file, import data, and here I'm going to select the data file and open. It's going to ask me if I want to add it as a new data set or replace it. I'm going to replace it and reset starts to 0. Okay. So now you can see all these data is populated with the actual live data. So what we did is we opened this model in CATIA inspection planner. We quickly created a template. We exported it to a centralized location. So this is done in like a engineering room or somewhere. So once it is available in the network, once it is saved, right, it's available for anyone in the shop floor. So what they can do is they can go to the same kind of drill down. They can open this template up, and whatever they're measuring, they can quickly put this data file inside, and they can see how it is performing.
Can you make this into a PDF?
Yep. So once we do that, then we can do a print to PDF. Okay. So now let's save it as a PDF. So let's save it as a PDF.
Right. Okay. So now go into the lower right hand corner, find that little arrow.
I think if you do a control end, it does that. Let me try that.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
I think you're on the right footing.